Dear brothers and sisters, when we see something very nice, like your son or a baby grandson smile at you, what do you say? You say, MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. And we think that we have done our job. But do we understand what did we just repeat it? MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. What does that mean? This is the Allah has willed, and there is no power except with Allah. The baby who just smile, which makes you happy, the baby has a smile because it is the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah has given a special love in your heart, and you enjoyed it. Similarly, when you see a nice tree full of red roses, you say, MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. This is the blessing. This is the power of Allah. Allah has willed it. And there is no power except the power of Allah. That's the thing we have to appreciate. Anything good that we see, it is not the work of the human being. It is the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Is the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If Allah wishes, the things becomes beautiful. So dear brothers and sisters, when you like anything, when you see something beautiful, something that you like to appreciate and admire, remember, it is the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi